Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest Business, manage pins and ads step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to pinterest.com. Click Login at the top right of the page. Enter the email address or username connected to your Pinterest business account. Type your password carefully and click Login. If you use Google, click Continue with Google and select the correct account. If you use Facebook, click Continue with Facebook and confirm your access. If you forgot your password, click Forgot your password and follow the reset email link. After logging in, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, choose Settings to confirm you are in the correct business profile. In Settings, open Account Management and check that the account type is Business. If you do not have a business account yet, choose Convert to Business and complete the prompts. Go back to the top right and click your profile icon again. Select Business Hub or Business Tools to access business features. Open Pinterest Analytics to review performance of pins and audience activity. Click Create and choose Create Pin to publish a new pin. Upload an image or video and make sure it matches Pinterest's recommended sizes. Add a clear title that includes keywords people may search for. Write a simple description with relevant keywords and a natural call to action. Paste the destination link and double-check that it opens the right landing page. Choose the most relevant board so your pin is organized and discoverable. Click Publish to post now, or schedule if you want it to go live later. To manage existing pins, open your profile and click Save to view your boards. Open a board, select a pin, and click Edit to update the title, description, or link. To start advertising, open Business Hub and click Ads or Create Campaign. Choose your campaign objective, such as awareness, consideration, or conversions. Set your daily or lifetime budget and select the campaign start and end dates. Define targeting by location, language, interests, keywords, and audiences. Select the pins you want to promote, then review and click Launch Campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.